In my previous video, I went over just like the extreme basics of what your premium consists of. Your premium is company profit plus their underwriting losses plus expenses. And now in this video, I'm going to go into expenses in a little bit more detail, just to give you an idea of what expenses are. And I think that you'll learn something that you didn't know. One of the first things, there's overhead. Every business has overhead. It's the buildings that they have, the employees that service your policies, the mail, the paper, all those fixed expenses. And then there's a variable expense that you might not know about, and that is reinsurance. So what happens is insurance companies write policies to cover your building, right? So you have a $5 million building and they only want to retain $1 million of that liability should the whole building, suffer a covered loss. So what they do is they buy $4 million of reinsurance from an even larger insurance company, like a global brand. Off the top of my head, Swiss Re comes to mind. There's also Munich Re, the RE, and the Re is reinsurers, the reinsurers. And so insurance companies buy insurance on the insurance that they sell. So there's actually the reinsurance renewal for property is coming up on January 1st. And property has been an impaired class. Like if you have, large facilities, a lot of buildings, if you have apartments or commercial real estate, large property exposures, that reinsurance renewal coming on January 1st is expected to be a 20% increase. So sort of my first offer here is that if you don't have a strategy for mitigating that renewal increase in 2023, we should start talking about this now. So if you have, like I said, if you're property heavy, large manufacturer, have at least like bare minimum 100 units of apartments or commercial real estate buildings. Let's talk about how we can help you mitigate that reinsurance hit that's coming next year. Now, another big one is selling expenses. And the biggest one there is commissions. That's, what agents make, their commissions. And if you want my take on how an insurance consumer can leverage agency commissions to make sure you're getting the best deal, shoot me a message, make a comment, just comment commissions below, or shoot me a message here on LinkedIn, and I will send you another video specifically about how you can leverage agency commissions to make sure you, as the consumer, is getting the best deal possible. Thanks. In my next video, we're going to talk about losses and how you can leverage your loss history to get a better deal on insurance. Thanks.